Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today we're gonna do banana bread. For this recipe you're gonna need honey, coconut oil, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, milk, some vanilla extract, 4 ripe bananas, flour and baking powder. So guys, for this recipe you wanna start by preparing your form. You're gonna use baking paper under, coconut oil around and flour. You also want to preheat your oven at 160 degrees. After that, in a bowl, you're going to put 2 eggs, 120 grams of coconut oil, 80 grams of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 60 milliliters of milk. You're going to mix all of this together. So, you just want to mix it like this. You're going to go with 3 bananas inside. I'm just going to mash it first. And then you also mix it a little bit. So, when you have all your mass mixed, it looks something like this. It's okay if you have some pieces of banana inside. You want to add 120 grams of chocolate chips, 250 grams of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The mass is now ready. You want to take your 4th banana, cut it into slices, and use it to decorate your cake on top. Now into the oven. It's gonna change on the form you use. Mine is gonna take about 50 minutes, but it can change if you get it like on a higher form or a really big form, or if you double the recipe. So pay attention to that. So guys, this was our recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Go follow us on Instagram. See you next time.